Hello students. The topic for today is language of chemistry. Don't be bothered with the term language of chemistry. Just understand the basic meaning of language. So, when we converse with each other, we use a language. What does that do? That helps us to understand what the person is telling. So, in the same way, language of chemistry means the system of expression of the understanding of the chemical reactions. So, here we have chemical reactions which happens in chemistry, which is nothing but the language of chemistry. So, we have reactants and we have products. So, what are reactants? Reactants are the substances, the basic substances which when they interact with each other, they take part in that reaction and they give rise, with the help of this arrow, we give the products. What are the products? Substances that are formed due to the reaction. Now, what chemical reactions, and when they take place, what happens after that? When the whole chemical reaction takes place, it converts from one form to another. And the chemical equation can be written either in the word form, it is called as the word equation, molecular form, that is the chemical formulas of the elements and compounds, and balanced equation, where the law of conservation of mass is followed, where we have to balance and you have to write the number of atoms present, which should be equal on both the left hand side and the right hand side. The types of chemical reactions will be dealt later, just like combination, decomposition, that is breakdown, synthesis and all that. Now here we are dealing with the characteristics of the reaction. So how will we know what has changed to what? So this can be understood by characteristics change. So we have color change. Color change, as you all know, the color of the reactant will change as the product is formed. State change, solid to liquid or two solids combine to form a liquid, and that is called as the state change. Smell change, the gas evolved can change into a different smell what the reactant was. Then evolution of gases like carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid gas, oxygen can be given out. Then evolution of heat, which is exothermic reaction, and precipitate formation, like silver chloride precipitate can be formed in the reaction. Now there are some requirements for a reaction to take place. What can they be? First of all, they should be in contact. First, it can be close physical contact. It can be contact in the solution or the liquid form. It can need energy. So what types of energy are required for an a reaction to take place? It can be heat energy, which is called as exothermic reaction. It can be light energy, which is photothermic reaction. It can be electric energy, that is electrothermic reaction. It can be pressure requirement, as it happens in ammonia formation, or it can be a catalytic supply. A simple catalyst like platinum. So these are the basic requirements to understand language of chemistry very easily. So let us recap it once. In language of chemistry, we talk about chemical reactions. What are chemical reactions? Interaction between reactants and to give out the product. Here it can be word equation, molecular equation, balanced equation. What are the characteristics which show us that the reaction has taken place? Color change, state change, smell change, evolution of gas, evolution of heat, precipitate formation. What are the requirements? It can require close physical contact, close solution contact, energy like heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, as we know in electrolysis of water and sodium chloride, pressure supply as ammonia formation, and catalytic supply. This is how it becomes easy.